I'm Jada Davis with theculturesupplier.com. I am here with civil rights attorney Mr. Benjamin Crump. Thank you so much for your time.
Jada.
Two quick questions. The first question is, I know you've dedicated your career to, fighting specifically these types of cases, wrongful convictions. Is there ever been a time where you didn't take a case? A wrongful conviction case?
Well, you try to take as many cases as you can. I have a great team at Ben Crump Law who do a lot of work that goes unnoticed. I want to say thank you to all my lawyers and staff who work with me. But I will say this, you can't take every case because you want to be effective. My managing partner, Scott Carruthers, reminds me of that we have to make sure we are able to commit the resources to the cases we take. And so what I try to do, I try to take the cases that affects more than that individual family, but affects a cause that shocks the conscience, whether it's Trayvon Martin or Michael Brown laying out on the ground in Ferguson, Missouri for 4 hours, or 12-year-old Tamir Rice being killed on that playground that we see on video, or the 13 black women that were raped in Oklahoma City by the police officer. So those are the type of cases I look at, ones that shock the conscience.
Absolutely.
To try to impact society on the largest scale possible.
Right. And the second quick question is, what are your thoughts on Kim Khardashian meeting with President Trump on prison reform?
Well, it's always good when we have communications and we can get issues out there. I was quite surprised that she would be the spokesperson on such an issue. But as Dr. King said, we all have a role to play, so hopefully it won't fall on deaf ears, even though the evidence of what we see is that this administration and this Attorney General Jefferson Beauregard Sessions and the Department of Justice has reversed the progress, I believe, that was being made by the Obama administration and former Attorney General Holder, that were trying to encourage diversion programs versus locking people up for the smaller level crimes like marijuana. We've reversed that now to kind of recommit to the prison industrial complex. And we know when they talk about the prison industrial complex, who they're talking about, what people they're trying to put in prison. So that's why, again, I'm happy for TV One giving us this platform to try to educate people about due process of the law and equal justice.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.